Let's go! So guys, we need to talk about this triangle once more because you can see that we haven't really broken cleanly through this, and just like I was talking about in my video earlier today, we might see this fake out. So if you are unsure about what to do right now, well, perhaps I am going to fill you in on what I believe is going on here. So if you're holding Bitcoin, if you're looking to trade Bitcoin, or even if you are in a trade right now, make sure to watch this video. So welcome back everybody, my name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and activate the bell. And with that said, let's talk about Bitcoin right now. And the triangle I had this morning was looking like this. So I drew it from these wicks. From all of the wicks, basically, you can even fit this a little bit better like that, right? So it's closer to touching this wick, but nonetheless, you can see that, yeah, right now we are probably above it, but I mean, it's not clear cut because you can see that we have been going up here from 38,776 all the way up to almost $40,000, but we've had two fake outs so far. So is this going to, on the 4-hourly candle, now start to go up before eventually going down again, or are we going to have a bit of a run here up to the next resistance levels, which we've been talking about previously? Well, one thing I also want to pay attention to here, or want to let you know, is that some people are drawing this triangle like this. So I mean, some people are drawing it like this and perhaps taking the wick up here. So this wick, this wick, this wick. And in that case, you have had a pretty clean breakout, and in fact now retesting the wick here. And also, I mean, we're looking at, a difference of a $20 or $30 difference to the up or to the down. And as you know, on different exchanges, the price is going to be a bit different. So I wouldn't spend too much time regarding the details, but I just want to let you know that some people are drawing it like this, some people are drawing it from the candles themselves, right? So we don't have to touch this one down here. But I mean, on some charts, this is already broken out. So I just want to let you know that. As for me, I'm going to keep it as it was first. So connecting many of these wicks right here, and that we haven't actually broken out yet. So we will see about that, guys. We will see about that. Now, another thing is that if we take away this and we look at my support and resistance levels, we are still inside of the orange boxes. This is why I'm telling you, like, it's not a coincidence that the orange box is right at, the edge right here. No matter how you want to draw this, if you want to draw it like we had it before, or like other people are drawing it, nonetheless, there's no denying that the orange box here, in which we've been talking about for many months, is actually giving us that resistance as well. So, I mean, the orange box is triumphing the triangle actually, because there's a bit of a indecisiveness regarding how to draw this. Orange box, no question at all about how to draw this. So next level of resistance, $42,000. You already know about this. This is the most important level to break through. Now, also, as you already know, if you watched my video previously, we have the Lux algo actually telling us that we are getting a bit more bullish here on the 4-hourly time frame. Now, one thing I actually missed telling you is that we also on the Lux oscillator had this sell right here. So the Lux oscillator was telling us that, yeah, sure, I mean, we're looking pretty good, but we might see a short-term little bit of a correction here. And this was, if you look, the 3rd of June at 8 a.m. And if we go up here, it was actually at this candle. So this, I mean, this already played out. So we went down from almost 37,600 and down to what is that, $38,000. So this signal for everyone using the Lux algo is not tradable right now. And yeah, I just want to let you know that that actually happened as well. But other than that, I mean, things are looking pretty bullish. We just need to break this $42,000 level for Bitcoin to become ultra bullish again and go to the upside. So we will see. But for Ethereum, this is the way it's looking right now. And we haven't broken out of the $3,000 level here, obviously. So this is going to be strong resistance. So we are still having this kind of posture of us making higher lows. So we are, getting into it, and we will see if we will have enough momentum to actually break this to the upside. So you have to pay attention to the volumes as well and see if we get a volume confirmed breakout out of this level. Well, then the orange box up here is the next level to pay attention to. For Cardano, you can see that we have been expecting this to be resistance at $1.82, 84 cents. And yeah, you can see that it's not perfectly aligned, so about a cent or so of a difference. But nonetheless, just by looking at this, you can actually see that we've been making lower highs here, consecutive 3 lower highs. So that's looking like a rejection. Let's see if we can regroup and make another push and then push towards $2, which is the next important level of resistance for Cardano. So traditional markets are looking pretty good right now. Traditional markets are perhaps about to actually make a new all-time high. So you can see this big green candle here on the S&P 500's futures. So the previous all-time high was at 42,037, I should say. So we are about, we're not too far off, actually. We're not too far off. Was this the previous all-time high? I guess it was, yeah. So we're not too far off. And if we break, new all-time highs in the traditional markets, that's also going to be very positive for crypto and Bitcoin. And let's talk about the Bitcoin dominance, because you can see that the Bitcoin dominance is actually going down again. So maybe we are going to see those crazy altcoin gains again. I'm sure we are going to do it eventually. But I was expecting a correction and a shakeout out of the easy money, because people were throwing so much money at basically everything. And, yeah. But we've had a decent correction. And I'm looking at Dogecoin, because Dogecoin kind of has to, Dogecoin will be the symbol for retail investors throwing money at everything without understanding things. And Dogecoin is still down 45% since its peak. So from the absolute low here, Dogecoin went down. Let's see if we can do some quick math. From 70 cents down to the bottom here at 30. So that's more than 65% correction. So I think that's pretty decent considering it took place during just a couple of days here, or a couple of weeks. So yeah, maybe we've had that shakeup, but I still stand by that you will have to be more picky with these altcoins. Not everything is going to pump insanely high from now on. I think that you're going to have to be a bit more picky. As usual, I am going to let you know my thoughts about what I think is good altcoins to hold for the mid, for the short, and the long term. So before we move on, I want to talk about SmartKey, which is sponsoring this video. So SmartKey is the world's first platform to successfully bridge DeFi and the Internet of Things, which will allow it to become the platform for a new economy of physical assets known as the blockchain of things. SmartKey is developing a variety of different products and partnerships that use the SmartKey platform to connect Internet of Things devices, technologies, systems, and clouds to blockchain platforms such as Ethereum and Waves. As you can probably already tell, the potential for this kind of project is huge, and as blockchain and the Internet of Things are currently two of the fastest growing industries, and they are both being used to revolutionize many different areas of life. Recently, SmartKey secured a hugely important partnership with Orange, a telecommunication giant that is present in 26 countries and has more than 266 million customers. Many of those customers are located in Europe, where they are the leader in Internet of Things solutions. This is not just another partnership in name like we see all the time in crypto, but a partnership with an actual agreement for implementation. Currently, SmartKey intends to implement their tech in 2,000 cities as part of their SmartKey solution. And this partnership is huge because it means that all devices that are connected to the internet via GSM, which includes sensors, meters, scooters, cars, Airbnb systems, and much more, well, they can now connect and settle payments in crypto. Another benefit of the agreement with Orange is that the project will see continued development for several years at a very high technological level. One more benefit is that, of course, the partnership will help to increase recognition of the SmartKey name and increase their platform's rating. As one of the top IoT companies, Orange could have chosen pretty much any project to work with, so the fact that they choose SmartKey goes to show the type of quality project that it is. They choose it not only for its innovative solutions, but also because it is more technologically advanced than any of its competition. Orange is not the only big partner that SmartKey has secured either. They are also partnered with Chainlink as well as Teltonika, the second largest producer of IoT devices in the world. So if we take a look at the SmartKey white paper, we can see some of the different products that they offer. There's a lot of information in this white paper and I will not be able to cover it all, so feel free to go and look at it yourself after this video if you want to learn more. There are 7 products listed here, and they are the Cloud Connector, Key Manager, Wallet Business, Rental, Access to Devices, and Rescue. Along with details on all of these products, we can also see what stage of development they are currently in with these bubbles here, which corresponds to different stages that are listed here. As you can see, the Rescue product has already been released and implemented in the Warmian-Mazurian region of Poland. The Rescue product allows emergency services to gain access to guarded communities and other restricted zones without the need to track down a key holder to enter. This decreases the amount of time it takes for them to arrive at emergency scenes, which is of course very important. This product is now going to be rolled out to more than 80 cities in Poland in collaboration with Orange after its success in the first region it was tested in. If you want to learn more about the project, then go ahead and check out the links that we have posted in the description. And yeah, make sure to do your own research. And thank you to SmartKey for sponsoring this segment.